Can I appeal a decision made by the Department of Insurance? Have you ever received a decision from the Department of Insurance that just didn't sit right with you? Maybe your auto insurance claim was denied, or perhaps you feel the insurer didn't follow proper procedures. If so, you might wonder if there's a way to challenge that decision. The good news is yes, you can appeal a decision made by the Department of Insurance. The process usually starts with an internal review or appeal within your insurance company. When your claim is denied or you disagree with the insurer's decision, you should first contact the insurance company directly. Request an internal appeal and provide any new or supporting evidence that might help your case. This could include photographs, police reports, medical records, or eyewitness statements that support your claim. Make sure to keep copies of all communications and documents during this process. If your insurance company does not change its decision after the internal appeal, your next step is to file a formal complaint with your state's Department of Insurance. This department oversees insurance companies and makes sure they follow the rules. When filing your complaint, you will need to include details like your contact information, the type of insurance involved, what the dispute is about, and any evidence you have. You can usually file online through the department's website or by mailing in a written complaint. The Department of Insurance reviews complaints to see if the insurer followed the correct procedures. They do not typically decide who wins or loses a claim but can investigate and recommend actions. They might ask the insurance company to review your case again or correct any mistakes. Sometimes, after the complaint process, there are options for external review or mediation if you still disagree. For car insurance disputes, start by contacting your insurer's claims or appeals department quickly after a denial. Gather all relevant evidence, like photos, police reports, or medical bills, and submit it to support your case. If the insurer denies your appeal, then file a formal complaint with your state's Department of Insurance. Be sure to keep detailed records of all your communications and documents. The department will review your complaint and may step in to ensure the insurer is following the law and regulations. This process gives you a clear path to challenge unfair decisions and seek a fair resolution beyond the initial ruling. Remember, you have rights, and the Department of Insurance exists to protect consumers like you.